Okay, in our previous classes, we have learned about decimals such as 0.716, 7.14, right? We have also learned how to add and subtract decimals in our previous classes and how to multiply and divide decimals by a whole number, right? Now in this section we are going to learn how to multiply and divide a decimal by another decimal. All right, we're going to multiply a decimal by another decimal. Then we'll extend the operations to negative decimals. All right, now we are going to start with this example here. We're going to multiply the decimals here without using a calculator. All right, how we can do it? We have 12.34 multiplied by 5.6. All right, now you all can see that it is not necessary to copy down the numbers below each other. We're just going to write it randomly and we can multiply it. And if you want to write, you can write it properly like this, 5.6. It's okay. In multiplication, there is no need to put the column like we do in the addition. In addition, we take care of the decimal number and we put the decimal below decimal, each number below each number, right? In addition and subtraction. But in multiplication, we multiply like we do the multiplication of whole numbers. All right, so we are going to multiply starting with 6. You all know 6 4 times is 24, 4 here and 2 carried. Then 6 3 times is 18 and 18 plus 2 is 20, 0 here and 2 carried. Then 6 2 times 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14, 4 here and 1 carried. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is 7. Then we are going to multiply with the next number, and next number we are going to multiply with 5 here, right? With this 5 here. So when we are going to multiply with this 5, we are going to place a leave a space, or we can place a 0 here because this is 5 the unit, so we're going to place a 0 here. Then we're going to multiply by 5, right? 5 4s are 20, so you're going to place a 0 here and 2 carried. Then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, so 7 here and 1 carried. Then 5 2s are 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 here and 1 carried. Then 5 ones are 5 and plus 1 is 6. Now we are going to add them, right? We are going to multiply them like we multiply the whole numbers. All right, and then the whole method will be the same. Ignore the decimal number for now. We are just going to put add them, and then we are going to find out where we are going to put the decimal. All right, 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 here and 1 carried, 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 6 here. So now we are going to, sorry, we were having 6, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Now we are going to put 9 here, and then we are going to put the decimal. Now this is the most important part which you have to understand here. Over here we have how many decimal places. In this first value we have 2 decimal places, right? 1 2 decimal. In this one we have how many decimal places? 1 decimal place. All right, 2 decimal place here and 1 decimal place here. So in the answer we are going to add it, 2 plus 1 3. In the answer we will have 3 decimal places. All right, you can see here. Over here we have 2 decimal places. Over here we have 1 decimal place. So in the answer we will have 3 decimal places. There is no need to put this 3 in the bracket, but just to explain you, I am writing it 3 decimal place. And for counting 3 decimal place, we will not count from here 1 2 3 decimal. No, we are going to count from the units 1 2, from the last digit 1 2 3 decimal. All right, we are going to count from the right side 1 2 3 and then place a decimal over here. So this answer will be 69.104. This is going to be your answer, 69.104. All right.